came to know from Toyota Tsusho that the Ghanaian government is planning to introduce new automotive policy. So we are highly interested in participating in such an initiative made by the Ghanaian government. We wish to start production here to expand it and grow it, is our wish.
There were many people in our country who, in the beginning, considered the development of an auto industry in our Ghana a very long shot. And I can understand why they felt that way. But we were not deterred as a government led by His Excellency the President. So we went ahead and developed a comprehensive Ghana automotive development policy. And, Mr. President, today we are gathered here to harvest the benefits of this policy.
This is a very happy occasion for me, the people of Ghana, and indeed for government's industrial transformation agenda, as our country joins the enviable league of nations assembling Toyota and Suzuki vehicles. By assembling and ultimately producing cars in Ghana, new and highly skilled jobs are being created. The use of foreign exchange to import second-hand vehicles will be reduced. And at the same time, the exports of made-in-Ghana cars to other African markets will earn our nation much-needed foreign exchange. The vision is to make Ghana a fully integrated and competitive industrial hub for the automotive industry in West Africa, and we are very much on course. This facility has already offered some 334 employment opportunities to young Ghanaian graduates from our tertiary institutions across the country, notably from the University of Ghana, the University of Cape Coast, the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, the George Grant University of Mines and Technology, and some other technical and vocational institutions. In addition to the attractive fiscal and non-fiscal incentives offered to investors in the auto sector, government, in promoting the patronage of locally assembled vehicles, has directed all state institutions to purchase locally assembled vehicles to demonstrate government's commitment to support made-in-Ghana vehicles. It is gratifying to note that already a number of senior government officials in my administration are now driving locally assembled vehicles. And I myself will take delivery of one for my personal use this week. This is an expression of our confidence in what we produce here in Ghana. Ladies and gentlemen, this assembly facility will produce Toyota, Hilux, and Suzuki models for both domestic and African markets. I encourage Toyota to expand in due course the range of models, since the Toyota brand has a strong presence in Ghana, West Africa, and the rest of Africa. And I also urge senior management of Toyota Corporation to leverage the incentives granted under the Ghana Automotive Development Program to make their products affordable and competitive for the Ghanaian consumer. I assure investors and stakeholders within the automotive industry in Ghana of government's continuous, unflinching support for the sustainability of their businesses in Ghana. Accordingly, ladies and gentlemen, I have the great pleasure to commission formally the Toyota Chusho Vehicle Assembly Facility in Ghana. May God bless us all in our homeland Ghana and make her great and strong. I thank you.
There were many people in our country who, in the beginning, considered the development of an auto industry in our Ghana a very long shot. And I can understand why they felt that way. But we were not deterred as a government led by His Excellency the President. So we went ahead and developed a comprehensive Ghana automotive development policy. And, Mr. President, today we are gathered here to harvest the benefits of this policy.
This is a very happy occasion for me